The High Court has granted a full and final injunction banning street racing, also known as car cruising, in the Black Country. The injunction and power of arrest were granted on the 27th of February 2024 and will remain in force for a period of at least 3 years, reviewed on an annual basis, and applies to the whole of the boroughs of Wolverhampton, Dudley, Sandwell and Walsall. Anyone breaching it will be in contempt of court and, if proved by the court, could face jail, a fine or an order to have their assets seized. As can be seen from this footage from meetings in the Black Country and elsewhere, street racing is antisocial, irresponsible and highly dangerous, with tragic incidents both locally and nationally causing serious injuries and even, sadly, fatalities. Evidence presented to the High Court showed overwhelming support from local residents and businesses for the injunction, as well as the negative impact it was having on them. Under the terms of the injunction, it is forbidden for anyone to participate between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 a.m. in a gathering of 2 or more persons within the Black Country area at which some of those present engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. It is also forbidden for anyone to participate between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 a.m. in a gathering of 2 or more persons within the Black Country area with the intention or expectation that some of those present will engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. It is also forbidden for anyone to promote, organise or publicise by any means whatsoever any gathering between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 a.m. of 2 or more persons with the intention or expectation that some of those present will engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving within the Black Country area. It is also forbidden for anyone being a driver, rider or passenger in or on a motor vehicle to participate between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 a.m. in a gathering of 2 or more persons within the Black Country area at which such defendants engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. Stunts are driving manoeuvres often undertaken at such gatherings, including, but not limited to, burnouts, which is causing a vehicle to damage or destroy its tyres by applying power to the drive wheels while braking so as to remain in place while the wheels revolve at speed. Donuts or donutting, which is causing a vehicle to rotate around a fixed point, normally the front axle, while not moving off, causing noise, smoke and tyre marks to be created. Drifting, which is turning by placing the vehicle in a skid so that most sideways motion is due to the skid, not any significant steering input. Undertaking, which is passing a vehicle on its near side so as to overtake in circumstances not permitted by the Highway Code. Power of arrest, pursuant to Section 27, subsection 3 of the Police and Justice Act 2006, shall remain in force until 23:59 hours on the 1st of March 2027, unless extended, varied or discharged by further order of the court. Incidents of street racing should be reported via the following email address. That's asbu@wolverhamptonhomes.org.uk or to West Midlands Police on telephone number 101. But please, in an emergency, always dial 999. The application was led by the City of Wolverhampton Council on behalf of Dudley Council, Sandwell Council and Walsall Council and supported by West Midlands Police. Full details of the injunction, including evidence presented to the High Court, the sealed order, power of arrest and other supporting documentation, such as a map showing the Black Country area, can be found on the street racing pages of the 4 claimants, including at wolverhampton.gov.uk/street racing. To contact the claimants, write to for the attention of Black Country Car Crews, Legal Services, City of Wolverhampton Council, Civic Centre, St Peter's Square, Wolverhampton WV1 1RG. Alternatively, email litigation@wolverhampton.gov.uk or call 01902 556 556. Thank you.